Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, we are going to be having a look at our next comprehension on page 18, which is Comprehension 9. And remember, we found our comprehensions in the book with the children having a lovely ride on their pencil. So, this is again a little poem, but this poem is full of verbs. And remember, we have learned that verbs are things that we can do, so doing words. So I'm going to quickly go through it, and then you are going to be able to do it on your own because I'm going to have explained it to you, and then when you have finished, then you can play the little clip because then I would have done it as well, and we can mark it together and see how well you've done. So it's called Hop a Little. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap on one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head, yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. So it's a little poem about all kinds of things that you're doing just a little bit of. So you're not going to hop for 3 hours. You're going to just maybe do 2 hops because, 3 actually, because they say 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to do 3 hops, 3 jumps. It's just a little bit. Right, so I'm going to read it again, and maybe you'd like to read it too, and you can do the actions as we read it. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap on one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head, yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Right, so you can practice reading that again if you need to, and then they've asked you to circle all the verbs, the doing words in the poem. So you're going to circle those. Remember the question that you ask for a verb, can I do it? So let's have a look at the first line. Can you hop? Yes, so you would have circled hop. No. Can you little? No. Jump? Can you jump? Yes, so you'd circle jump. No. Little? No. So hop and jump are your verbs in the first line, and you're going to do that with all the lines in the poem. Then these are pictures for the verbs in the poem, and you're going to find them in the little poem, and you're going to copy them correctly with the correct spelling beautifully with your pencil in the blocks underneath the pictures. So let's just go through what they're doing. Skip, because she's got a skipping rope. Bend. Oh no, I think I've made a mistake, because if I look at this person, he's bending over trying to touch his toes. Oh, look how he's putting his big toe up because he can't get over his fat tummy. So he is bending, and this person is stretching. So skip, stretch, run, bend, sleep, yawn. Right, the other side. Now these are rhyming words. So we've done a lot of rhyming words. Remember that it needs to sound the same. It doesn't need to look the same, it needs to sound the same. So you say these words, these are from the poem, but there's a mistake in the one which I need to change for you. So knee, does it sound like little, 3, or bed? You choose and then you circle the one that goes with it. Head, does that sound like bed, 2, or run? Circle the one that sounds like head. Not, this is a mistake. This should be nod. So this should have a d on the end. Nod sounds like 1, or jump, or rod. Because you see, not wouldn't have rhymed with any of those. And nod sounds like rod. Okay. The next one, bed, sounds like skip, head, or me. Which one? And that's easy because I'm going to give you a clue. We did it a little while ago. It's in the same one. This wasn't such a good page in this book. It made a mistake there and then it did the one twice, but just the other way round. Now this exercise, you need to find a word that means the same, but it's a different word. So little, what word is the same as little? Remember, it's not an opposite, it's one that's the same. So little, is big the same as little? Is small the same as little? Or is sad the same as little? Circle the one that has the same meaning. And then sleep. Is sleep the same as run? Is sleep the same as jump? Or if you have a little sleep, is it the same as nap? So you circle the one that's the same as sleep. Same meaning, but you can use it in a different word. And then this exercise you're going to do very, very well. You're going to rewrite this sentence beautifully and correctly because you've been correcting all of my mistakes. Remember what you need for a sentence, and these are the 2 sentences, and you're going to write them correctly with capital letters and full stops or question marks or exclamation marks. But I think my ones have been a little bit more tricky, and you are going to do this exercise quicks and easy peasy. Right, so first one, I like to run, and to write it correctly on the line. And the second one, the frog likes to hop. Correct. All right, so now you have gone through all what you have to do, and now you're going to complete it. And once you've done that, then you can play it again, and I would have done it for you, and we'll go through it together so that you can mark your own work and check how clever you are.